Well, hey there, folks. We're back on the little Fleetwood Terry travel trailer. I've had the refrigerator running all night. Got my little infrared gun here, and we're gonna see if it works. I've got it on. I don't have it on max. I have it halfway on 5. We're gonna open her up and see how cold she got. Put a bottle of water in the refrigerator. Hey, 41 degrees. And the freezer. $16 degrees. I think we are good to go. So there's a little update on the Medic RM2510. She's working great. So the furnace works. We tested that last night. The furnace works. The refrigerator works. So we'll get on to the water system next. But it's good to know this thing's working good. Thanks for watching.